We're just continuing on the development of math. We're going to say when you do music, you want to take this down to a low D, and the lower. Remember this: the lower the note, the a lesser amount of sound waves. So the frequency is lower, the note is lower. And this is analogous with that note, which means mathematically there's a relationship beyond just that it's a sound relationship. You can actually do math as it relates to music. Now, let's start talking about some math. I like to say the little kids, when I don't mean the little kids, but I would maybe say sixth graders, fourth to sixth graders, learn your cubes all the way up to 36 in your head. Learn how to do mental math in your head, because when you're on a test, you want to be able to just be on top of everything that's easy and quick and do it just in your head so that you can do the more complex operations either on a calculator or on paper if you have to, if it's allowed on depending on the exam. Okay, usually on a math exam, you're going to have the ability to use some scratch paper. You may very well need it, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about mental math. Bear with me. Hope you enjoy it. 26 times 26 is the same as 26 times 25 plus 26. 26 times 25 is the same as, well, I chose a hard one for an early Sunday morning. Let's start with one a little easier, 22 times 22. 22 times 22 is the same as 20 times 22, which is 220 times 2 plus 2 times 22 plus a 0. So 22 times 20 is 220 times 2, which is 440 plus a 0, 4,000. Oh, but don't put the 0 on yet. 440 plus 2 times 22. You could put the 0 on. 22, 440, 4,400 plus 2 times 22 is 44, 4,400. 4,400 plus 44 is 4,400. Too early. Okay, so let's go back to basics. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. 12 times 12. 13 times 13 is 169. 14 times 14 is 14 times 14 is 140 plus 56 is 196, and so forth. Learn that stuff in your head. And so will I. We'll learn together. And you could do it really well one day, and it's like you just got to keep like muscles, like your muscles when you're working out, your mind, your brain, with your math muscles. So we're going to call this mental math muscle math. Okay, August 17th, 2025. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you.